Hey guys, it's Kelsey, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Dillards eyeshadow palettes. I have the Warm Neutrals eyeshadow palette today. So let's get right into the video. But first, you should really subscribe because I have a lot of videos coming soon, like a Play by Sephora box for February and a room renovation that's going to be really fun. So you should click that subscribe button. Okay, so I've already put on my face makeup. Okay, so I believe that these retail for $20 and then they were on sale for $10. If I'm wrong, I will put it down in the description box below. It's magnetic. And I think this is the warm tone one. I will swatch all of these and put them in the video right about now. There's this one really pretty black with like purple sparkly flecks in it that I'm really excited about. I think I'm going to go with like a neutral look. There's also a mirror. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this like kind of white cream shade and put that all over my lid with a large blending brush. This is the Dillards Tools 785 brush. There's not a lot of fallout and it looks like it's going onto the eyes nicely. Okay, so now that I just have like a base down, I think I'm going to go into this brown shade with a crease brush. This is the Dillards Tools 783. And I'm going to make a V. I'm just going for like a neutral, and I think I'm going to use this gold bronze color here in a little bit, so it's kind of like a neutral shine. I am kind of in the middle of like a renovation in my room, which y'all will have a video about, and I'm really excited. Also very soon there should be a Play by Sephora box video. My mom got hers before me again for the second month in a row. Okay, then I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit more. So I like kinda know what she got in her box, but a lot of boxes are different, so we usually don't get the same thing. I do know that the hint is 2 lip products this month though. These are blending very nice, like they look very pretty. They don't have fallout and they're just working together so nicely. Okay, then I'm going to put this little bit of a darker brown kind of on the more outer side of the V, just to kind of like put a little bit of depth in it with the 783 crease brush. My cat is playing with the brush that fell out of here, the one that came with it. Okay, then I'm going to blend that out. Okay, now I'm going to take this gold with this blending brush, get a little bit on. Okay, this one has a little bit of like potential fallout, so I'm going to tap it just a little bit. And I'm going to put that on the outside of my lid. Okay, that one's not showing up very well, so I'm going to use a sponge applicator, and this is the Dillards Tools 740. Oh, it goes on this one really nice. But I don't really like it on the eye. Okay, I just took that off of my eye because it wasn't working out. So, I don't know about the shimmers. They may not work well because this one did not, but the mattes look so pretty and they're so blendable and just creamy. But the shimmers don't want to show up on the lid, and they don't, I don't know, they're just like, they show up a lot on my brush, but then you go to like put it on your eye and it's like non-existent. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of that dark brown. Put it in the corner. Okay, since I'm just going to use all mattes in this because the shimmers didn't work out well, I take that back. I'm going to try one more shimmer, but not right now, here in a little bit. Okay, so we have lots of browns going on. There's a lot of brown. There's 3 very similar browns in this one. We're going to go with this gray. Yeah, that one needed a tap to get some of the pigment off. We're just going to like darken up the V a little bit. Yes. And then blend that out. Ooh, I almost dropped my brush. Okay, now I'm going to try shimmer one more time. I'm going to flip this sponge brush over and go in with this really pretty light pink shade and put that on the inner part of my lid. This one's actually working okay. I'm not loving it. It's just not like most shimmer eyeshadows. Okay, I had to pack that on. I'm just not loving it as much as I love the mattes. The mattes are like a 10 out of 10 and the shimmers are like a 4 out of 10. But I definitely recommend the mattes in this palette, and there's a ton of them. There is 9 mattes out of 12, so there's only 3 shimmer shades. Okay, so now I'm going to finish my eyeliner, mascara, and eyebrows, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about this palette just a little bit more. Okay, and I know that I've done my brows and eyeliner, but I just thought about this. I forgot to smoke out my lower lash line. And I want to use kind of like a more fun color. So I'm going to use this, I'm holding the brush backwards. So I'm going to use this red color. Okay, so the red is showing up, but I want it to be a little bit more bright. So I'm going to use this like bright orange. Okay, I think that those two layered onto each other are really pretty. So I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. Okay, now I will go back to finishing my eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll be back. Okay, so overall, the matte shadows are wonderful. I love the matte shadows. They blend nicely, and they're just really creamy and like a high quality shadow. Then the 3 shimmers, I wouldn't really recommend, but if this really is $10, again, look in the description box below, then I think it's really worth it. It's a really pretty palette. Again, they have a cool toned one, and I think kind of more like a fun one, but this is the neutral warm tones. that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I hope to see you next time. Bye!